Does she ask you if you have to go pee-pee in the potty? Uh-oh, you're gonna get dizzy. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, stop. Whoa! I think you've had too much milk to drink. Looks like your pants are kind of lumpy there, Silas. Your shorts are lumpy.
My shorts is not lumpy. Daddy taking the picture from me. Daddy taking the picture from me.
How do you know that's what he's doing? Maybe he's just looking. Whoa! Oh, you fell down, huh?
You okay?